Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about Mac or iMacs and even your MacBooks. And more specifically, I'm going to answer a question that I've gotten a lot lately, and that is how do you screen record on your Mac? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, it's going to be a really quick video. There's not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to screen record on your Mac? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you're participating in a Zoom call and you want to have a record of the call, or maybe you do tutorial videos and you need a way to screen record the things you're doing on your Mac. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process and there's a free option for it. It's already on your Mac. It's called Quicktime. So first what you want to do is you want to go down here to the pop-up menu down here, and you might have Quicktime already. It's going to be this blue and black icon right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. If you don't see your Quicktime player here on the dock, what you can do is click here on the Launchpad. Once you're here in Launchpad, you can easily just go here to the top, and then there's this button here called Search. Click there. Once you're there in Search, just type in QU. Once you do that, then the QuickTime player should pop up. So just want to click on there. Okay, once you click in there, it's going to give you the QuickTime player folder. But in order to screen record on your Mac, you got to look here on the top left. There's a menu here. So click here on QuickTime player. Once you click there, you're going to just scoot over and then you're going to get a couple of options right here. So with QuickTime player, you can do audio recording, movie recording, and also screen recording, which is what we are doing today. So I'm going to click here on new screen recording on my Mac. Okay guys, once you click on there, then you're going to see this option down here on the bottom, and you're also going to see this kind of dotted line here on your screen. So this is the screen record function for your Mac. So if you want to record your entire screen on your Mac, you want to look down here. You have these two options right here. This is to record the entire screen on your Mac. However, if you just want to record a portion of your screen on your Mac, you can click here on this button. Now here on this button, it's going to let you choose what portion of your screen you would like to record, and you can also adjust that by moving these dotted lines around by grabbing these little corners, and you can shrink it down, and everything inside of these dotted lines would now be recorded if you chose this function. Now if you want to record the whole entire screen, you're going to click right here on record entire screen, and as you can see, the dotted lines have now changed. Once you're ready to record, you can go ahead and just click on this record button like so. Once you've clicked on that button, then you will know that the screen is recording by having this little icon here on the top right. It's kind of a little stop button. So right now my screen is being recorded, and if I'd like to go ahead and stop the screen recording on my Mac, I can just click on this little stop button. So there you have it guys. If you're looking for information on how to screen record on your Mac, that's the easiest and cheapest way that I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.